Welcome to VIRWICA 2026, the Virtual World Innovation and Creativity Award. This global initiative is designed to empower young people to showcase their creativity, innovation, and commitment to building solutions for a better future. VIRWICA brings together students from across the world in immersive virtual environments. Here, they collaborate, innovate, and create impactful projects aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. The competition is open to learners at the primary, secondary, and university levels, providing them with the opportunity to present their ideas and projects before an international panel of judges. To take part, participants form teams, choose one of the Sustainable Development Goals as their focus, and design an innovative solution using virtual world platforms. They will build interactive experiences, craft digital prototypes, or develop creative storytelling that addresses real-world challenges, transforming ideas into tangible projects. Beyond the competition, VIRWICA also serves as a platform for growth and learning. Participants gain access to workshops, mentoring sessions, and networking opportunities, equipping them with essential 21st century skills: creativity, collaboration, critical thinking, and communication. The journey culminates with the prestigious VIRWICA Awards 2026, recognizing outstanding projects that demonstrate both innovation and real-world impact. VIRWICA 2026 is more than a competition. It is a global movement, leveraging virtual worlds as a space where young innovators can imagine, create, and impact. Now it's your turn to step into the virtual stage. Join VIRWICA 2026, where your imagination can shape solutions, your voice can inspire change, and your ideas can make a global impact. Don't just watch the future unfold, be part of creating it. Register today and let your innovation shine at international competition, VIRWICA 2026.